Today we're going to talk about some of my biggest lessons in trading. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading, again down at the beach this morning. Absolutely stunning morning here in Perth. Probably low, mid 80s, absolutely beautiful morning. And today talking about some of my biggest lessons in trading. So it's a Sunday here, and again, yesterday we talked about Saturday reviewing the week and reviewing the trades and going over your playbook and taking screenshots and journaling, and some emails I've received asking questions about the end-of-day trading and different things, and I just thought I'd rehash some of the biggest lessons I've learned. And probably the single biggest lesson I've learned, I mean, there's some obvious ones, but just the opportunities are going to be endless. They're going to be there every single week, every single month. And some of the biggest mistakes I've made is I've tried to rush things. And in trading, we see, especially with the internet now, there's so many get-rich-quick trading schemes for crypto and Bitcoin and binary options and Forex trading. And there's a great video that Anton Krill's done on how the whole retail trading industry works. And it's quite amazing how, a lot of the material that's out there, a lot of the websites, a lot of that is actually generated by the industry itself in order to keep pumping new clients in. And a lot of that's aimed at day trading. And they know that, 99% of day traders will fail and lose their money. So they're constantly trying to get new money into the game. They're making millions of dollars off of retail clients. But, my mistakes have been, a lot of mistakes, but probably the biggest thing is just being patient and knowing that the setups are going to be there every single week, and not being focused on the money, but being focused on mastering your craft. Keeping your trading simple. Don't lose your money. Study the markets until you've got a proven track record before you're dumping large money into the markets, or even, money that you can't afford to lose. Because just chasing the markets and chasing the illusion of the quick money ultimately you're going to end up losing. Even if you get lucky, you're probably going to end up losing if you don't know what you're doing. And if you go and listen to there's some great podcasts. We talk about, using a bit of time every single day or every few days to do mindset training. There's some great podcasts out there. Chat with Traders, Better System Trader, Michael Covell's site. There's tons of great material where you can listen to a lot of these traders talk about their experiences, and most of the successful traders have blown up. That's how a lot of them will learn. A lot of my learning came from the pain factor. We talked about this in a video earlier this week. 40% of traders, leave within 2 years. But the ones who are persistent, 80% will leave in 5 years. But the 1%ers are people who have refused to give up. They've either managed to salvage their trading capital or come up with some more capital to trade with before they finally walked away, or before they finally, have become consistent and profitable. But, we talk about this over and over again, the 3 M's, mindset, money management, and methodology. Go listen to Peter Brandt, listen to Brent Penfold, learn how to take losses, focus on asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities. They're there all the time. Regardless of the time frame you're trading on, the opportunities are all there. You've got to adapt your trading style to fit your own comfort levels with risk, but also your lifestyle. If you're working a full-time job and you're trying to day trade, ultimately that's probably not going to work. I've talked about switching to end-of-day trading, and I still fundamentally encourage most people to, if the big money is made in the larger moves over the longer time frames. That's just, you can go and study it. For me, I think I recommend a lot of retail traders take a serious look at that. Most of the damage you're gonna do to yourself is gonna come from your own self-sabotaging behaviors, and that's as a result of being impulsive, irrational, illogical, revenge trading, anger, frustration. The market on the short time frames will, even on the longer time frames it'll happen, but you have an opportunity to protect yourself a lot better on the longer time frames for various reasons that I've talked about in other videos. So biggest lessons, stay off the charts, be patient. The setups will come every single week, regardless of what markets you're trading. They're always there. Predefine your risk, focus on great defense, and look for opportunities where you've got an asymmetrical risk reward. Remember one quote, it just resonates in my head over and over again, where Paul Tudor Jones will not look at something that doesn't offer him at least a 5 times return on his risk. And if you're focusing on those kinds of opportunities, you can take losses, and when you ride your winners, you're gonna obviously skew the profit side in terms of your positive expectancy. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Keep it simple. You know, biggest lessons, they keep coming in all shapes, sizes, shapes, and forms, but I try to keep minimizing the mistakes I make, keep getting better. Keep your routine simple. You know, if you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. Routines simplify your life. It removes the thinking out of things. But if your routines aren't generating the results that you want, you've got to go back and break things down into the smallest little bits of your day that are going to actually be congruent with the results that you want, right from the time you get up in the morning till the time you go to bed at night. So if you want to be an elite performer, if you want to be consistently profitable in any way, shape, or form, you're going to have to do the work. You're going to have to pay the price. Just focus on constant progress. Keep it simple. Little improvements every week will pay big dividends. So, you know, as I talk about this, you know, trade smart, get better at it, trade bigger, and may the markets go with you. Have a great trading week.
Hi traders, it's Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at stacyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.